Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to learn about how to import data from Postgres database into Pandas or Python. Okay, so let me go ahead and open IPython. I'm going to import Pandas as PD. I'm going to import the create engine function from SQLAlchemy module. And I'm going to create a object called engine or variable. So here we are calling the create engine function, right? And this is function because we are calling it. Actually, let me go ahead and verify the type of this object. Yes, it's a function. It's a function because we are importing it from the package SQLAlchemy. All right. And this is the format. So dialect or database type plus connector, in this case, cycle pg2, colon, slash, slash, username, Postgres, colon, password, Postgres, at localhost, colon, 5433, slash testdb. So it's a string. We are passing a string as a argument in this function. Okay, so let me go ahead and copy and paste this code. Now if we type engine, we now have a object. Okay, so the next step is to read all columns from the table or database table, and this is how you do it. So this is the function, so read SQL. Actually, let me also show you that it's a function because we are calling read underscore SQL from the module or package Pandas. Oops. Should be, it's a function here. We can see it's a function, but I'm going to say type, it's a function. And let me show you also the docstring. So we see that we can pass SQL, and we are doing it here. SQL, it's a string in this case, and we say comma, con, which is the connection, should be here. And then we are passing the engine, which is this connection or object. Okay, let me go ahead. Did I copy and pasted it? Not yet. So let me go ahead and copy and paste this line of code. And now if I do df, we should see the table, which is the table from this database. So here, this is the database, testdb, and we got two tables, network devices, SD1 devices. And this is the table. Okay, so that's what we see here, same data. And now we can export the data frame into Excel. And this is the command for that. So toExcel is a method in this case because we are calling it from the object df. And we can verify that by doing this command. It's a method. And now we see the file or Excel file, and this is the table. Okay, let me just go ahead and copy that line of code as well. So the key takeaways are, so read SQL is a function. So it reads data from the database into DataFrame, and select asterisk is select all the columns. And this is the command here. And from, this is the table, SD1 devices. And engine, of course, is the database connection. And to Excel is the method that we use to export the data frame into the Excel file. Okay, so that's all I wanted to cover in this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.